Good morning. My name is Gine Cortez Arce. The Zoe daily routine. Zoe is a girl who always starts her day by getting up early every morning. Now you can look at her taking a bath which called water and soap. 10 minutes later, she's not drying and brushing her hair. Arriving the afternoon, she's working her body out. Next, she is eating lunch very working after that. She is working her dogs around the park. Next, she's putting the work's clothes on. Finally, in the street, she is wearing a car to go to work. Thank you.